Hello students, today we'll be discussing about accounts. Now according to elements, determination of goods and services based on historical data on the basis of competition in the market is defined as accounts. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, आप इसको कॉपी में भी लिख सकते हैं. और फिर उसके बाद आता है हमारा अकाउंट्स. दो चीज़ों में क्लासीफाई रहता है. वो क्या चीज़ है? पहली चीज़ रहती है कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग, दूसरा रहता है बुक कीपिंग. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब व्हाट इज़ बुक कीपिंग? बुक कीपिंग is based on audits, data analysis and cost assertion. Now audits are related on money and materials, and data analysis is crushing of useful data on the basis of ready information, and it is based on the Indian economy. This is known as data analysis. Cost assertion is based on ICMA London. According to ICMA London, it is based on the MCX and RCX of India, that is material cost exchange, and the other thing is RCX cost exchange, and it is very important. Now cost accounting as a profession. Cost accounting as a profession can be done in three ways, that is company secretary, chartered accountant, probationary officer and warrant officer, and branch manager. Now CS company secretary is based on providing information to the senior authority and working apart from here as an assistant manager is company secretary. Chartered accountant is regarded as the data keeper or the account manager of the particular bank, that keeps in all the data and uses all the useful information. PO is probationary officer. A probationary officer is the senior to a chartered accountant, and warrant officer which takes on all the orders in a bank, and BM is the branch manager or the owner. Now accounts are based on BCM, that in London. BCMA is based on Bureau of Costing and Marketing, which is very important. Now GBW is the Group B Warrant Officers Association, and AICP and NA. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू.